Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss part 1 of the pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1983. So let's start. Illusion and illusion. Illusion means a deceptive appearance or impression, often leading someone to perceive something that is not in line with reality. यानी इसका मतलब है एक ज़ाहिरी शक्ल या तासुर जो दोकदही पर मबनी है, अक्सर किसी को ऐसी चीज़ का इदराक करने की तरफ ले जाता है जो हकीकत के मुताबिक नहीं होता. इट्स synonyms are mirage, hallucination, misconception, delusion and fantasy. Example sentences: The magician created the illusion of a floating ball, captivating the audience with his skillful tricks. Allusion. It is used for an indirect reference to a person, place, thing or idea, often made to enhance the meaning of an expression or to evoke a particular mental image. यानी इसका मतलब है कि किसी शख्स, जगह, चीज़ या ख्याल का बिलवास्ता हवाला अक्सर इजहार के मानी को बढ़ाने या किसी ख़ास ज़हनी तस्वीर को उभारने के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are reference, mention, hint, nod and inference. Example sentences: The author made a clever allusion to Greek mythology in her novel, adding layers of meaning to our readers familiar with the ancient tales. Ardor and ardor. Ardor means intense enthusiasm or passion for something, यानी किसी चीज़ के लिए शदीद जोश या जज्बा. Its synonyms are zeal, fervor, passion and eagerness. Example sentences: The team played with such ardor that they won the championship with ease. Ardor, a state of peace and lawfulness, a command or instruction. यानी इससे मुराद अमन व अमान की हालत, एक हुक्म या हिदायत है. Its synonyms are harmony, arrangement, command and directive. Example sentences: The judge restored order in the courtroom after a brief disruption. Conquer and conquer. Conquer means to overcome, defeat or gain control over a person, group or territory. यानी किसी शख्स, ग्रोह या इलाके को शिकस्त देना या उस पर कंट्रोल हासिल करना. Its synonyms are overpower, subdue, defeat and vanquish. Example sentences: Alexander the Great sought to conquer vast territories, leaving a significant mark on ancient history. Conquer. It means to agree or express agreement, often in opinion or decision. यानी अक्सर राय या फैसले में मुत्तफ़िक़ होना या इत्तिफ़ाक़ का इजहार करना. Its synonyms are agree, coincide, assent and conjoin. Its example sentences: The committee members were quick to concur with the proposed resolution, leading to a unanimous decision. Cite and cite. Cite means to refer to a source or quote someone as an authority for a statement or to mention as an example. यानी किसी माखूज़ का हवाला देना या किसी बयान के लिए किसी को अथॉरिटी के तौर पर हवाला देना या मिसाल के तौर पर जिक्र करना. Its synonyms are quote, reference, mention. Example sentences: She decided to cite the research paper in her essay to support her argument. Site. It means a location or place, especially where a building or event is situated. यानी एक मुकाम या जगह जहाँ पर या तो कोई इमारत वाक़ हो या जहाँ पर कोई इवेंट होने वाला हो. Its synonyms are location, place, spot. Example sentences: The construction company selected a suitable site for the new office building. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.